When you have written your headline of your copy, you have spent 80 cents of your $1. Which means on an average 5 times of many people reading your headline reads your body. Think of it like this. In 1970s, an average attention span of a person was 12 minutes, but now it is less than 9 seconds. We are so short in attention that we have even created social media platforms for making videos for 15 seconds or less. Which means we have 9 seconds to grab your prospect's attention and tell them what's in it for them. How most people do this? Most people use something called pattern interrupt. Pattern interrupt is basically interrupting the existing pattern in your brain and grabbing your attention to push you to move to the next stage. What I call this is identifying pattern interrupts, because you have 9 seconds or less, within this 9 seconds you have to tell your prospect what are they going to get out of this when they continue to read or listen. So how can you do this? You can do it like with a normal cliche pattern interrupts, like a smiley emoji or a standing upside down, dancing in front of the video, anything. But it is your ability to capture the audience's attention, because at the end of the day we don't need everyone's attention. We need attention of people who likes our product or who needs our product. And the real fact is, people don't read ads. People get interested by what interests them, and it happens to be an ad. So that's it for today. I hope this is useful, and if that is, drop me a like and share your thoughts in the comments. See you then.